Minsan nakakapagod. Pagod saan? Stress saan? Sa work, sa mundo, nakakapagod. Okay, isigaw mo na lang lahat ng yan. Mag-concentrate ka sa hobbies or mas mahalin mo pa work mo. Pagod ka na ba? Okay. Huwag mapagod, magpahinga. Take a break. Pasyal ka kaya. Sa Tagaytay, Baguio, oo. Japan pa, okay, yes. Japan. Minsan nakakapagod. Matulog sa tamang oras. Gumising na maaga, 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Nakaka-inspire kasi pag maaga ka gumigising. Samahan mo pa ng kape or iced coffee sa umaga. Okay, oo, totoo. Minsan nakakapagod. Manood ka na lang. Sa YouTube, vlog. Oo, okay. Mag-Netflix. Ibabad ang sarili sa social media. Minsan nakakapagod. Religious doings. Get more closer to God. Get more closer to God, Jesus, Holy Spirit, or also to universe, okay? Engage in something na nakaka-inspire and engaging, okay? Minsan nakakapagod. Read the Bible, reflect. And then pray also. Pray for your loved ones. Okay, minsan nakakapagod, okay? Huwag ka mapagod but stress release. Mag-arcade ka kaya, swimming. Okay, totoo, opo. Okay, yes, okay. Minsan nakakapagod, oo, okay. Mag-gitara ka kaya, bass, drums. Bass, drums, guitars, okay. Kumanta, maging vocalist, okay. Minsan nakakapagod, okay. Watch movies. Listen to music. YouTube music, Spotify. Minsan nakakapagod, yes. Sometimes okay, oo, yes, opo, okay. Mag-cellphone buong magdamag. Social media, okay. Mag-games. Food trip, manood ng anime. Magbasa ng manga. Okay, minsan nakakapagod. Just lie but don't fake, okay. Okay. Minsan nakakapagod, very tiring. Yes, okay, true, totoo. Okay, opo, okay. Minsan nakakapagod. Why don't you make yourself happy? Buy the things that you want. Eat the foods that you like. Even snacks. Okay, yes. Okay, totoo. Right. Okay, minsan nakakapagod. Teach yourself to be kind. Small acts of kindness will do. Okay, oo, right. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe.